Mirrors, because we're using light, mirrors can amplify the function of these plates by almost 4 times. So by four times the strength. So right now I've got a little bit of a rotator cuff. My muscles are sore. So what I can do is I can take the mirror and I can set it back here like this, and then I can just move this back and forth. I call this painting. Some people call it blessing, but you can bless your arm like this, right? And now I'm getting that you can feel it. It's actually you start to feel some tingle or some energy, maybe some lightness as the it almost feels like there's air coming in, but it's the blood flow is increasing to that area. And with that blood flow, so is the oxygen and that healing process. And so you can just move it back like this, back and forth for maybe 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes at a time throughout the day, as much as you want to. You kind of like it doesn't replace icing, but it's so you could treat it like icing an injury or using light therapy in an area. So it kind of duplicates like that. And you can do that with any of the plates, even the bodyguard. I kind of like that right now. That feels good. So that's one way you can do that.